Take a ride in the 2017 MDX. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, ambient lighting, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, leather trim seats, audio, internet radio, Pandora, airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio, internet radio, AHA, capless fuel filler system, footwell lights, trip computer. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, this vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.